Hello everyone, I'm Jake Stiner, and today we'll be going over ways in which you can eliminate background noises from your video. As you are probably able to tell at the moment, right now I have a fan blowing behind me. It's causing a humming noise, and you'll be able to hear it as I speak. So let's actually head over to Premiere and try to correct this audio from this clip. Okay, so now that we're in Premiere, we're going to go to the Projects panel in the bottom left, go to our Effects tab. Now we're going to type in Adaptive Noise Reduction. Now this is going to be the effect we'll use in Premiere in order to enhance and get rid of the humming noise that you might hear from like a fan in the background. So now we're going to go to the Source panel, go to Effects Controls, and now you will find the Adaptive Noise Reduction. The effect is currently on, so let's listen to it. Hello everyone, I'm Jake Stiner, and today we'll be going over ways in which you can eliminate background noises from your video. Now that we've gotten to hear it, you can actually edit it and mess around with the audio to make it sound even better. So here, I recommend putting it to 15 decibels as it's my preferred choice, but you can mess around with the setting. So let's take a listen. Hello everyone, I'm Jake Stiner, and today we'll be going over ways in which you can eliminate background noises from your video. As you are probably able to tell at the moment, right now I have a fan. And that's a really quick, easy way through Premiere that you can enhance your audio. So now let's actually try another method to do it. Alright, so this method that I will be showing you, you'll actually need another Adobe application, and it's called Adobe Audition. So first off, you want to go to the clip, right-click it, and then you're going to want to hit Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. Now, by clicking that, it will send you to Adobe Audition, and you'll actually be able to see the audio waves from that clip. So it's really simple from this point. It's actually very, very simple. You're going to drag and select an area where you're not talking, but the humming noise in the background can actually be heard. And the first thing you're going to want to click, or you actually want to do, is you want to actually hit Shift P. Now this will actually select this specific noise. Now you want to hit OK from this part. The next thing you want to do after hitting holding Shift and P is now you want to press Command and A, and this will select all of the audio from that clip. So now you want to finish this by hitting Command, Shift, and P, and it will delete that humming noise from your entire audio from the clip. So by applying this now, we should have clear from your audio. Video. As you are probably able to tell at the moment, right now I have a fan blowing behind me. It's causing a humming noise, and you'll be able to hear it as I speak. So let's actually head over to Premiere. So this was my MAT Academy from Jake Stiner in order to teach you guys how to help prevent humming noise in the background. So thank you for watching. From TV3, I'm Jake Stiner.